Oh no, there's no sound on YouTube this whole time. No. Oh, I get so mad at myself when I do that because it's like 3 minutes in, and so people that are going to watch it back are going to be like, wait, what? I literally just went through this whole chart. I'm sorry. This is not a bot, Eli. This is just a chart. That's all it is. It's just a chart. Oh, I'm so sorry, YouTube. I was even talking to you guys. I'm so sorry. Yeah, because I turned it on. JD. That's why there's sound. I'm going to copy this. All right, the market's going to open in 3 minutes. I don't have fast on. I guess I should put it on, but, you know, it's the day before a holiday. I'm not really trying to do too much. I feel like everyone's probably at work like, yeah, I'm not trying to do more than I need to do. Sorry. I just had to send a quick email. Hey, Carter. Gotta get these, alright, so I have to put, an FOMC minutes today. Ugh. Alright, so yeah, what I was saying before for the people on YouTube when they had no sound, I apologize. This is the chop zone. Every day this is given to my members. This yellow line is the LIS. That's given to my members every day as well. You can see that during London, we moved out of the chop zone, pulled back, moved up, pulled back to the LIS, moved up, and now we made a new high. So we'll see what happens here. We'll see if we can hold this. Typically, price likes to go back to the LIS before we leave. So we pulled back to the LIS. We'll see with this market's opening in 1 minute if we can get a nice smooth move up. I can load fast if you guys want to see something fun today. It's funny, we're probably not going to get bingo because I need to do something more exciting because I'll get like 200 people on TikTok right away and then it drops to like 100 and then it drops to like 60. But then typically by 10 a.m. we're back at like 150. So maybe the bingo will come into play in a little bit. All right, the market just opened. Let's see what happens. I have both ranges on today. All of my scalpers are on simulation. So, oh, Justin, did we give an update to the group? I just posted the question. Fast. Yes, it's fully automated. I thought you were in the group, DS. Maybe not. Maybe you aren't. All right. I have fast turned on the right. I'll put it in. Okay, thank you, Justin, very much. Good morning, good morning. If you appreciate the stream or the information, oh, I want to answer that, but I can't do it right now. Damn it. Maybe I can. Hold on, give me 1 second. Let me just approve this. There you go. Sorry, TikTok. It probably cut you off. Oh, trying to get bingo. Oh, no. That is not how we get bingo, DS. It has to be legit. Okay? The fast hasn't taken any trades yet. Good morning, Alexander. Hello. See how I start to remember the usernames too? No, I don't trade stocks. Is that one of them? Hold on, I gotta pull mine up. I didn't even pick one yet. Even though I can't win anything. I'm definitely gonna give something away today. Alright, this is my bingo card. This one's mine. I did the middle one. So we'll see. You guys have to, remember, you can only pick one. It's on the honor system, so I'm trusting you guys to just pick one and stick with it. Hey, Lamborghini, how are you? Can you move the chart to the left? We can't see the price. Yes, you can. The price is right here. All you have to do is pull up NQ. It's going to be the same price regardless. It's 9:32 a.m. on November 23rd, the day before Thanksgiving. So I'm not trading anymore for the rest of the week. I might go live on Friday. I haven't fully decided yet, but I'm not trading with my money for the rest of the week. So
order submitted.
Just as a heads up, today is the only day that I'll be trading live. And even that, I've decided that if I want to move to simulation, that I may possibly do that as well. All right, fast isn't a long. Let's see what happens here.
Order canceled.
All right, it got stopped.
Order submitted.
Now it's in a short. Remember, if it goes green, $200, then it will move the stop loss into the profitable space.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
I don't know what that is. Yeah, but I don't know why the price would even matter. The entries will be listed here. I think it's more popular to actually see the candles themselves. Like, I can only fit so much in this box on TikTok. On YouTube, if you want to see everything, just go to YouTube and then you can see everything because it's essentially all there. Because it has a much bigger screen that it's covering, whereas TikTok is just my cell phone. So, y'all, we're doing exactly kind of like what we said we might do, which is come back to the LIS and bounce. See this? I want to like angle you so you guys see that more than anything else. All right, cool. Cool. If you want more info, you can just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Oh, is this in a long? Yeah, fast isn't a long, but...
Order canceled.
What a surprise. Today is the most traveled day in the U.S., so you have to realize that people are going to be traveling, not trading, and just enjoying time with their family. Hey, Scrumpy Dude. Let's see if we can get through this 783. If we can, my ultimate target is 11,825. Let's see if we can push through here.
Order submitted.
RTY is in a long, but NQ fast is in a short. Oh, I'm so far away. There it is. Yep, so I said this in the email, Roland. You can also use GFF Broker or Iron Beam. You do not have to use Interactive Brokers. Yes, Interactive Brokers is very expensive. we've kind of been over that. But Canada doesn't have a lot of options, which, like, you have options, but it's so much easier to be in, like, essentially any country other than Canada when it comes to NinjaTrader or futures trading, because I don't know what the rules are, why you guys can't use, like, NinjaTrader is now a broker to essentially every country in the world except for Canada. Like, I don't know, it's not allowed in Canada. I don't know why. But they're allowed in India, they're allowed in Africa, they're allowed in the UK. I don't get it.
Order filled.
We're also in this long here manually of the NQ. Alright, there we go. TP1 just hit. You can see there's only one contract left. Moving up. Break-even offset is in place. This is trade of 8. TP2 is at 99. So already locked up $200, and then if it pulls back here to the offset, then it will be a $300 win. I could always take this and move it up as well, but I typically don't. And then the second target is 400. So we'll see what happens.
Order submitted.
Alright, so out for $300, 1 for 1. That works. Again, when I manually trade, I probably take 3 to 5 per day maximum. I don't want to be trading all day. I don't want to... oh, okay. I don't want to overtrade. I don't want to get emotional with my trades. So we can see fast is not doing very well. I wonder if NQ Scalper is looking to take a trade here. Is this like... it's only good when it gets like these really big moves. RTY is still in the long.
Order filled.
I'm not really sure why it's red $100 though. Is it not moving? Oh, now it's only red 90. So over here on the right, these are the 3. So ES, RTY, and YM. So the other indices outside of NQ, since NQ is my favorite. Does NinjaTrader offer help? Yeah, if you're using their platform. They can help, like, they can give you an idea of, like, what country you're in. But if you go to apply for a NinjaTrader account and you're in Canada, it's just going to say not allowed, because it's legally not allowed. All right, we got up to 11,800. Again, ultimate target on the day will be 11,825. Yeah, if you're having a weird connection with TikTok, go out and come back in. I don't know, somebody said that the other day. Went up to 800, now we're pulling back a little bit. Pretty normal. Take a long again here, but I'm not going to. ES looks so tight. What is ES doing? Oh, what's going on with this R2I? ES hasn't made a new high on the day yet. But it broke over the 4018. No, there's no difference in margins. Futures have the same price day and night. Day and night are the same. The only time the price is different is when the market is closed. The market is closed from 5 to 6 p.m. and then it's closed on the weekend. So that is the only time the price is different. So there's 50 of you in YouTube and there's only 9 likes. Please hit that thumbs up. Again, I do the lives for you guys essentially for the people in my group, but if I wanted to do it for just the people in my group, I could have a private. Ooh, look at that. I was just going to get in a long event queue again because of this pullback. Look at this perfect pullback to 83. Perfect pullback to 83. Where are my students? Hey, Miguel. Nothing, really. Did I need you to tap the screen and give some likes, Miguel? That's what you missed. Or if you're on YouTube, give a thumbs up. Because, again, I do these live streams. I do these live streams for a few reasons. I do them so people can see the algorithm. They can ask questions and get more information. It's just easier in this format. And then also, so I can give you a breakdown of kind of what I see and how I look at the markets. But obviously that's just
Order filled.
out of the kindness of my own heart. Oh, I'm so nice. We're not getting any bingo. Alex, you better have gotten it. I'm not sure if that's like a sad face or if that's like I'm so cool face. Is it at 9:45 or 10? Let me pull up my FX calendar. It's so funny. I don't trade FX, but I use a calendar, like an economic calendar that's, 2 minutes. All right, 9:45, PMIs, and then at 10 o'clock, my hair smells really good. At 10 o'clock, new home sales, and then FOMC minutes are at 3 p.m. No, Scotty, that's not how it works. YM's green 200, RTY took a loss for 300, ES is red for $62. Again, I don't have Scalper live at all today, so... Oh, that's so cute. Laura printed out her bingo. Ah, that's so fun. Sadly, there's only 61 people in the live stream, and it's pretty much everybody in the group. 61 on TikTok and then 40 on YouTube. Definitely a so cool face. You're like blowing smoke. Like, I'm so cool. I like it.
Order filled.
What is that? Oh, because the report just came out. You know what it did? It messed up YM. Oh, that's crazy. There it goes, right up to 825. Jeez Louise, look at that. Well, the PMI data, I guess, looks good. When you know, you know. Yes, Amber. Did you see that? Oh, and now right back down. Now right back down. This is what they wanted. Oh my gosh, look at where it went. I didn't even have my chart open enough. You guys, we went right to this super tough level that I have on my chart at 11,835. Alex, did you get that? Did you get that run up or the rejection? Oh, that's crazy. Now back up at 800. No, I thought I was going to hold here. It's definitely not holding. That was crazy. Look at where it went. Like one tick. It looks like it was like one tick above that line, though. Good job, Vivi. What was it? 3.5? Yeah, 3.536. If we go back under this 83, we're definitely going lower. So now I got to keep an eye on that manually. You can put alerts on your DOM, which I like to do, like this. Like you can do this. See these little alerts, and then it will alert you when it gets there. We're back over 800. I mean, I wasn't patient enough. This is too volatile to be taking this here. Because it could easily come back under 100 or it could run back up to 35. So, right now is not the time to be taking trades. Unless it wants to come all the way below 83. Scotty, you're in the group, so you should know why we're not running Scalper today. If you don't know, please send a message to Irma. Or you can look in the chat, because we've been talking about it for the last, 2 weeks, what we discovered to determine if we're running Scalper or not. And this whole week has been no. It's been a hard, fat no. I want to see if I can catch something here, but it's going really fast. Nice job, Dallas. Very proud of you. Oh, okay. Well, then, Scotty, that's why. Still watching. I thought you were in the group. I feel like you've been in the live streams for 6 months. All right, move back up to 35. If we clear 35, after that is 900. I think somebody called that before. Did I send you the informational email and you just haven't done anything with it yet? Did you apply for NinjaTrader? Did you fund the account? And you're just like... I never understand that. I don't know why people start the steps and then don't actually go through with it. I wonder what's going through their head. I don't know. I'm scared. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. I'm one of those people that just do stuff. If I find something that I want to do, Vivi made $1,800, 2 clean manual trades. Thank you, Lauren. Sure thing, Vivi. You did it all yourself because you're a student and you know what you're doing now. Yep. Carter's telling you. Carter's in the group. Mark's in the group. DS is in the group. Sheldon's in the group. Amber's in the group. Pretty much everybody in the chat is in the group except for the 2 people in the Army. Or the one in the Army and the one in the Marines. Because they're 18. No, actually the one in the Marines might be older. I don't know what the language is. Ted's in the group. Yes. That's exactly what it is. Oh, okay. So the Marine is 44, not 18. Thanks, Arizona. I'm not even showing you the algorithm, which is crazy because it's not doing anything right now. But it is amazing. I agree with you. E-Day's in the group. Everyone in this chat, besides the 2 in the Serving Our Country and Scotty, are in the group. All right, we're pulling back. Listen, let's see if we get back under this 25. It's a counter trend trade, but I don't mind it. I'm going to see if this works out. It might not. This is too strong. This is too strong. Or AJ. Oh, well, Kevin, you're like a serial cheerleader for the group. You're the group's mascot, Kevin. I did the NinjaTrader and funded the account, just waiting to get a big account size to get in the group. Again, the only account size you need to get in the group is $3,000. So yeah, if you only have $1,000, then that makes sense. But if you already have $3,000 and you're just trying to get to 10, I don't know if that's the right move because Q4 is the strongest out of any quarter ever. So we still have 5.5 weeks of Q4 that you can take advantage of and, make more out of the money that you have in your account. Even if you're trading micros. Look at this. Look at Bruce yesterday. $397 in micro, $379 in micros. Darren, micros, $256. You have a few of those days back to back, you're then at $5,000. John, 147. This is like his second day. Maine made 3,800. I made 925. Bob made 925. Irma made 962. Rich made 147. Ashish made 450. Alex made 1,000. Benny made 925. And he's new to the group. He joined like a week ago. Garrett made 370. Sterling made $92. Mike made 862. Amber made 47. Girl, I wish you had your micros on, but I think you took smaller sizing because of the holiday week. 147 for Mo. 588 for Karan. Ted, he's in the chat right now. His first day, he made $660. It all depends on your account size. Joel made 435. Joanne made 147. Greg made 925. Sheldon made $2,000. Milan made $1,000. Justin made 600. George made 250, and Jen made 1,293. I posted all this on my story as well as in the so I don't know what that means. You're like a group, come on. How do you join? You just send me an email for more information, and then in that email is where I give you all of the information that you need to join. If I start watching your videos, will it explain what's going on and where to start by joining the group? So Arizona, all you need to do is email me, and I'll send you an informational email. That gives you step-by-step what you need to do to join the group. Once you join the group, you're then given another welcome message and email. Oh, RTY's in a long for $200. Let's look at that, $225. So again, this is fully automated. It's trading for me. I didn't even know it was in this trade. This is green, $235 on the long. It did have one loss before, so we'll see if it can cover that and then make some more profit. We'll see if we get a nice continuation here. So once you join the group, then you're given another video welcome message and help from my two admins on how to get set up and how everything works. But the initial email is just about what you need to do to even be able to use the algorithm. So you need a account with NinjaTrader. You need a funded account so that you have to put your money in it. You have to pay for market data, which is $12 a month. You have to, you don't have to get VPS, but if you have a Mac computer, you have to get VPS, stuff like that. No, these are futures. Yeah, so Harley, you have to do the lease or the lifetime. And then Harley, the VPS is the most important in my mind, and it takes 4 to 6 hours to get complete. So you would want to start moving with the VPS before really anything else at this point. There is a stop loss. It's right here. It's purple, and it's already in the green. Not sure how you didn't see that, Vinny. So AJ, it just depends, again, how much is in your account. So like this is one contract. But on average, so last week, if you had one contract on just range, let's see how much you would have made, because I have it in the results tab. Just this last week, just on range, you would have made $4,450. And that's on, obviously, a larger account. So that account is like $7,000 to $10,000. If you have a small account, which would be like 3 to 5K, then you would have made a tenth of that, maybe times 2. So you could have made $400 to $800 last week. Okay, good. Yeah, VPS, and I feel like I say this on every live stream, Harley. So yeah, VPS takes 4 to 6 hours to, like, they are building a server for you. So it takes them time to build the server. Yeah, JD, for sure. Monday it was super light. Super light. It's the day before Thanksgiving. It's the most traveled day in the United States. Super busy. Justin, don't really think that's true. So if you think about if today's the most traveled day in the U.S., a lot of those travelers are going to be traders. So not a good idea. Yeah. So this is one contract on the RTY green 225. Yeah, if you do the lifetime Harley, you get $100 refund once you join the group. No, you do not have to babysit the computer. AJ, I don't have to be here. I could be sleeping still, and these trades would be happening regardless. George already made $430. Great job, George. He's one of my students. Vivi's one of my students. They kill it every day. Yep. There's no babysitting the computer. There's no sitting around having to watch it. A lot of people do, even though I tell them not to. But yeah. Oh, thanks for the 32 likes, guys. That's so nice of you. I appreciate it. People on TikTok, if you want to send some hearts, that would be much appreciated on this day before a holiday. Again, I'm going to try to go live on Friday, but it's going to be really slow. Like, really, really slow. Kind of paint dry. But I don't mind getting on here and hanging out and having discussions. No, you do that the night before, AJ. And we all post in the group what we're doing. So this is the chat. Let me show you. This is the chat. Oh, what's that little heart? That's so nice. Thank you so much. Hold on, let me scroll down. So this is the chat. You can see each day has a different thread. So Friday 11:11, Monday 11:14, like this. So this is today 11:23. So in the thread, I start this. You can see 5:33 p.m., 5:40 p.m., 5 p.m., 6:40 p.m. I start a new thread every single day the night before. So I started this thread yesterday at 5:30 p.m. And what I put in the thread is what I'm running. And then other members post what they're running. So if I say, okay, I'm going to run the NQ conservative, I put that. If I say I'm going to run the NQ aggressive, NQ fast, whatever, the ES conservative, RTY, that's all put in here. So you set it up the night before. And then you turn it on. This is the box. Hold on, I'll show you. Oopsies. So, and this is the box where you turn it on. You simply turn on and off. Where's range? I could do this. So you turn it on, turn it off, turn it on. So it will be off every night because it turns itself off. And all you have to do is turn it on by pushing this button. And that's it. And then this blue box shows up on your chart and it trades for you. Do you teach how to trade without the algo? Yes. I have a mentorship, Slozen. I have a mentorship. It's on my website. You can also email me for more information. Carter said my mentorship's amazing. Mark and Carter have both taken my mentorship. Yeah. Yeah, J Hood, that's very true. You can only do 5,000 at a time through the ACH. So yes, so then AJ, you turn it on at night and then you go to work. Or you sleep, or you go spend time with family, or you go to the gym, whatever it is. Yeah, you don't have to know what you're doing for it to work. That's the whole reason that I'm here, that Irma's here, that my admin's here. We help you confirm you have everything set up properly, and that's it. And then you just turn it on. Because you can't take one contract of a mini, Johnny, if you don't have a $10,000 account. That's why. There are micro versions, and then there's a mini version. The mini is the bigger version. I trade the minis. Other people that have small accounts trade the micros. So if your account size is below $7,000, you can only trade micros. A micro is a tenth of the size of a mini. So if I make $1,000 on one contract of one mini, you took one contract of one micro, you only made $100. Yep, Amber is awesome. She's doing a great job. Does that make sense, Johnny? So a micro is a tenth of the size, a tenth of the profit, a tenth of the cost, a tenth of the loss. So whatever I do, and that's why I like to show you guys this stuff with one contract, just to say, okay, this is what I made with one contract with a mini. If you had a micro, you could then say this was what I would have made with one micro, or this is what I made with one micro. And it would be identical, it would just be a tenth of the size. And this is explained in my futures video, like what are futures contracts. It's on my YouTube. My YouTube is boldbot, 2 words. So if you go to my YouTube, I'll show you guys. And then you go to videos. So this is my YouTube, boldbot. And then if you go to videos, I go live every single day. So you can go back after this stream on TikTok and watch all of my lives on YouTube if you want. They go back years. But there's this video that is super, super popular. It's a 30-minute video, and it's what are futures contracts. It explains the difference between micros and minis. It explains the different brokers you could use. It explains what futures are and why they're called futures. And so I made this 2 years ago, but it's still super relevant, even though, most of the people in my group know what the meaning is. This is not a commodity, AJ, so that's another thing, and that's in that video. There are commodities in futures, but I'm not trading a commodity right now. I'm trading an indice. So there's indices, which is an index, S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Russell, the Dow. There are commodities like coffee, oil, cattle, wheat, corn. And then there are currencies like gold, silver, and then all of like the US dollar or the Japanese yen or whatever. Yeah, so I am not trading a commodity right now. I am trading the NASDAQ. This is the NASDAQ. This is the Russell, which is RTY. This is YM, which is the Dow. And then up top is the ES, which is the S&P 500. If you want to know the different products that NinjaTrader allows you to trade on their futures platform, then you can just go to NinjaTrader and go to futures contracts. And these are all of them. Coffee, cocoa, crude oil, gold, soybean, and then it has the symbol. So these are the symbols, and this is what they are. YM, which is what I said I'm trading, the E-mini Dow Jones. Scroll up. These are currencies, Australian dollar. This is what I trade. Indices, equity indexes, ES, NQ, RTY. I do not trade Bitcoin. There's a euro interest rate, agricultural, lean hog. There's a whole bunch of products, but I don't trade them all. I only trade like 5 to 6 of them. I really want to start trading natural gas again and copper. Sounds good, Michael. Yes, it's fully automated, Roland. So you turn it on at night, and then it trades for you for the next 23 hours. No, Steven, these are because we're not running Scalper live today. So yes, but but this is range. This is live today, and this is live today. This is ES range and NQ range. They're both 100% on the week, and they were both 100% all of last week. So this setup right here on NQ is 88% on the entire year. So this strategy has been 88% on the entire year of 2022. You need the $12 CME top book only. I put this in the email, like I updated it because I get that question a lot, so it must not have been clear. But yeah, it's the $12 a month CME top book. That's what you need. This is a nice move on the market today. So yeah, you only need the $12 one. Oops, sorry. Yes, so out of all of the trades that it's taken this year, it's won 88% of them and it's lost 12% of them. These two for $12, why, I ask, looking at it now. Right, so I'm telling you, the one you need is CME, $12 a month, top book only. CME. Are you having a free trial? Absolutely not. Nothing is free in this world. Because the thing is, you can't, there's no reason to even be doing something for free for the member and for myself, because number one, you have to have a funded account to use the algorithm. So you're going to go through funding an account, paying for the market data, paying for the VPS for a month, paying for the lease for 3 months or the lifetime for life, and then be like, oh, I'm going to use this for free for like 2 days and see if I like it. Like, no. And then on my side, it's a lot of work to get someone set up. You have to sign a disclaimer. I have to add you to the group. I have to add you to NinjaTrader. I have to add you to the setting spreadsheet. Like, that's a lot of work. And so, sorry, but no. I have a $500 discount, and you can get that just like everyone else. If you're new to the group, it's $500 for 3 weeks. Okay, J-Hood, I'm glad you got it. $500 for 3 weeks. You can try the algorithm. If you email me, the discounted link is in my email. It's not going to be on my website. So again, if you want more info or you want to possibly ask me some questions about the algo or about anything like that or my mentorship, then just email me and I will respond immediately because I respond pretty quickly. I'm going to go up here. I was just confused because you can take one with 500 ES, but I'm guessing you... Yeah, exactly, Johnny. We're not going to be... I don't allow people to be bad with risk management and their equity. Because if I tell people, oh, you can... Go ahead, you want to join the group with $2,000 and trade ES? Yeah, sure. And then you have one losing trade and you're down, 30 to 40% of your account, and then you're like crying and you're like, I have no money left, I'm leaving. Yeah, so we avoid all of that. You have to have $7,000 to $10,000 to trade minis. Now, do some people over leverage their account and do what they want and then blow their account and have like total regret? Yes, absolutely. Nice job. Vivi made $3,700. Good job, girl. So proud of you. No, because I feel like we haven't had... Well, I guess the free one. You guys, where's your bingo card? Because did you check off the free? Can I get a free trial or can I get this for free? That's always a common one. Laura was paying attention. We'll see. What time is it? 10:11. Good job. You guys are paying attention. I keep forgetting about bingo. Okay, great. Signing up soon. I'm in the middle of an Apex challenge. Oh, yeah. I have people in my group that have passed the challenges by using my auto trading system. There's probably, out of the 170 people, there's probably 10 people currently doing an Apex challenge. Aw, yay! Good job, David. So proud of you. David made $5,160 manually trading this morning. So these are all my students. Typically when people post results early in the morning like this, they're manually trading, and I taught them how to do that. So George is a student. He made almost $400 or a little over. Vivi made $3,660, and then David made $5,160. Manually traded this morning. Thank you, Lauren, for your great training and being patient with me as a slower learner. Always fun and educational. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, so sweet. You too, David. I love our little sessions. So nice. Are you able to ask in your group how to fund NinjaTrader from Australia? People have done it. You have to reach out to NinjaTrader. I probably only have like 2 people in my group right now that are from Australia. I think the best thing for you to do is to reach out to NinjaTrader and say, I'm trying to fund my account from Australia. What should I do? David doesn't have a 3K account. That's all I'm going to say. I'm not going to talk about someone's account size. The point is, he's a student of mine, and he's an Algo member, so he knows how much he needs to have to trade minis. It's very common for people to make $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 in one day by manually trading off of what I've taught them. If they have at least an account size of 10 to 15,000, then yes, that's very doable. Andy's posting now. Andy is someone that, again, makes $1,000 to $2,000 every day just using what I give them here, the chop zone, the LIS levels, all of this. They take this all into consideration and they just print money. Yeah, Panjack, you're going to need to apply more pressure. If you can call them and get through the emergency line, that would probably be the easiest way. Yep. So Andy missed the long at the open, but he still made $845, and he's done for the day. He takes 1 or 2 trades, and he's done for the day. He goes to his 9 to 5, which is a high exec position where he is very busy, giving presentations all day, whatever, going in and out of meetings. He doesn't have time to sit around and trade all day. He trades, the first 15 to 20 minutes, and then he's done. I've listened to a live where they asked her why she didn't show her face. Even I was like, oh, look, you don't just say, see it alert me. Dating myself data free trial. Yes. No, there's Amber. Alright, what time is it? 10:16. If you had bingo, reach out to me in the group. I don't think we did. There weren't enough new people in the live stream asking random questions. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving. The market is closed. Well, I think the futures market is actually open until noon tomorrow. But it doesn't matter because when the stock market's closed, I do not trade at all. I will keep my stuff on today. People in the group, if I change my mind, then I will let you know. But right now it seems like we have a good amount of movement. So maybe we'll get a nice afternoon push. We'll see what happens. Again, if you want more info, just email me boldbotllc@gmail.com. It's not case sensitive. I know a lot of people have been asking that lately, so I will try to do a live stream on Friday. So it's not guaranteed, but if you follow me, if you push that little bell icon, it will notify you when I go live, and that's on YouTube, and then we can get together on Friday if I go live. If not, I will definitely be back on Monday. Monday is the start of a new week. It's also the last week of November. So we'll see what happens there, and then we'll be going into December, see if we get a Santa rally or not. We didn't get one last year, but pretty much all of last year was a Santa rally, so maybe that's why. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you have a safe holiday. If you're traveling, please be safe. I know there's some snow and ice in a lot of places around the world right now, or the U.S., but yeah, just be careful, be safe. There's crazy people everywhere. And I'll see you guys either on Friday. If not on Friday, I will see you on Monday. And people in the group, I'll obviously let you know if I'm going to go live on Friday. And then people on TikTok or YouTube will just kind of see if I am or not. Robert, it's $500 for the first 3 weeks and then $1,000 every month after that. If you want more info, Robert, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Yep. All right, guys, have a great day. Thank you for joining. Happy Thanksgiving. Eat a bunch of yummy food. And I'll talk to you later. Thanks for joining. Have a good day. Bye. All right, YouTube, I'm signing off. I will see you possibly on Friday. Probably on Friday, let's be honest. I'll probably be live on Friday. But if not, then Monday. But I'll probably be on Friday. Amy, that information is given in the group. I don't think you're in the group, but if you are, you could message me. But yeah, all of that information is given to you in the group. So, also, that's included with the Algo manual alerts from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. are included, as well as the chop zone and the LIS. So, all right, guys, have a great day. Thanks for joining. And make sure you like, subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in a few days. Okay, bye.